This is a John Holland and Gamuda section of the road project in Newcastle. To date, we've produced probably about 35,000 metres cubed into this project. Anything from the bridge decks to the piling to the super Ts that have gone into the job. Boral's had the pleasure of supplying it to John Holland and Gamuda. Today we're trialling or getting a mix off the ground with calcined clay in it. Calcined clay is obviously just clay that's been through the calcination process. We'd hope the product behaves like all other mixes that have decent portions of supplementary cementitious materials, and it has the same performance parameters. The bonus to this, it's a low carbon concrete product, which obviously is the aim of the game these days. Embodied carbon in concrete is the real worry going forward, and I think Boral to date has done a great job. Starting in 2012 with the use of ZEP cement in our concrete to produce Invisia, and now moving through to now where we're starting to use calcined clay in the field in our concrete products. All the trials we've done with calcined clay have been promising. Today's pour, as you saw, the mix was nice, it was easy to finish, and hopefully all the performance parameters are there as well. I think the trial mix worked out quite well. I think the reference mix, which was just a standard mix with slag and cement, I definitely think Boral's on a winner with this product. Yeah. It's been really good to work, I guess, with John Holland and Gamuda over the last 18 months on this project. To date, most of the concrete we've put in here is low carbon concrete, which is predominantly due to the performance of low carbon concrete with the addition of supplementary cementitious materials in a concrete mix. Your durability and the performance of the concrete is where it's at. So hopefully with the use of calcined clay, we can maintain the outstanding performance of our concrete.